And it should be on their cameras too. So you'll see.
Did he threaten you or anything?
Nah, I never talked to him.
Okay. No contact.
Never talked to him. Thank you, Chief. Nah, I didn't get out of the car. I didn't talk to him. None of that. It's just the point of harassment. People stalking.
Does he live in your town?
Nope.
No?
He's one of them YouTubers that just like, how can I say it? Jump up on adrenaline.
Okay. Would your chief have
Wait, he's a YouTuber.
He didn't threaten you, right? No, I never even talked to him. Don't ever speak to people like that, thank God. I stayed in my car, didn't engage, didn't say a word. It's just straight up harassment. People tailing you. Does he live close by? No, he's just one of those online content guys who gets hyped up over nothing. Would your boss have his... Oh, he's a video creator. Tiffany Henyard, the current leader of Dalton, Illinois, is facing serious backlash. Leaked Bodycam footage shows she was recently taken into custody by federal agents. She's been under investigation for months, and now she's officially accused of serious misconduct and deception that led to this arrest. Residents in Dalton are furious and have been calling for justice for a long time. What's been uncovered is deeply troubling, with clear evidence of mismanagement and illegal behavior. Those 3 individuals? Nowhere near bright. Not even average. They honestly believe their words carry weight, but it's the opposite. None of it makes sense. Just listening to the way Henyard speaks, this is someone leading a town? Rumors about her possible arrest had been circulating for months, and many locals believed it was only a matter of time before law enforcement stepped in. According to recent reports, the FBI has finally taken her into custody. It's likely this town official could end up in a high-security prison. The FBI recently sent out several official subpoenas, and it turns out a federal investigative team has been digging into Henyard's actions and alleged deceit since November. Honestly, what more do they need to see? Just last week, the community even held a protest titled, "Take Our Town Back." And this isn't even her first time behind bars. Unlike her prior arrest for being inside someone's vehicle without consent, this time she's staring down 22 criminal counts. Even her attorney walked away from the case due to unpaid legal fees. The city is now drowning in $20 million of debt. This is exactly what happens when individuals who never earned their leadership roles are handed power. In case you didn't know, while she was elected in 2021, most of her income and authority come from her position as township supervisor, a role that pays over $220,000 annually. She only landed that role because her predecessor passed away. Tiffany even snuck in a rule that slashes the salary for any future challenger to just $25,000, making it pointless for anyone to run against her. It's a messed up situation when the townspeople think bringing in another former Chicago official at $400 an hour is their best option. While justice can be painfully slow, things are finally picking up pace now. And hopefully, the people of Dalton won't have to wait too much longer to see her in a prison uniform. Village officials who have long voiced concerns are reportedly relieved now that the FBI has stepped in to shield both them and the town from Henyard's alleged misconduct. For months, they've been pleading for help. So much money has gone unaccounted for, and they've been demanding transparency. The FBI's deepening probe into Dalton has exposed several allegations of fraud involving Henyard. Critics argue she misused public funds and committed unlawful acts. The investigation centers on shady financial dealings, misuse of taxpayer money, and questionable leadership, factors that have driven Dalton into a severe financial crisis. The community is now grappling with the aftermath as the town sinks further into debt under her rule. In breaking news from Illinois, the FBI has officially raided both the village of Dalton and Thornton Township, executing federal subpoenas for records related to corruption claims involving Dalton's top official, Tiffany Henyard. This development was first reported by ABC 7 News. According to the FBI, their agents were carrying out court-approved operations, collecting files including personnel and police records, along with financial documents. Of course, Henyard has faced intense criticism from within her own council. Several council members have voiced strong opposition to her actions. During a recent interview, Henyard claimed she's done nothing wrong and shifted blame to her opponents. But the situation has escalated well beyond finger-pointing. In fact, The Dalton Council has now brought in former Chicago mayor and ex-U.S. Attorney Lori Lightfoot to lead an independent investigation into the corruption allegations against her. The accusations are piling up quickly. One city staffer claims she was sexually assaulted during an official trip to Las Vegas. There are also multiple reports of unpaid workers and unlawful firings. The drama surrounding Henyard only seems to intensify. According to insiders, her recent television appearance was shocking. You could clearly see why so many people believe she's at the center of massive negligence and illegality. As for her defenders, those three individuals aren't just misinformed, they're nowhere near competent. Their intelligence isn't just below average, it's practically absent. They actually believe their nonsense is making an impact. But the truth is, nothing they say holds up under scrutiny. While Henyard was in the spotlight, FBI agents were reportedly conducting interviews in the background. The controversy also touches Dalton's police department. A former police chief recently came forward, exposing how Henyard often misused her security detail, having officers run personal errands instead of protecting the public. This deepens the accusations that she treated taxpayer-funded resources as her own. Officers tasked with safeguarding the streets were reduced to chauffeurs. Critics say Henyard is one of the most self-serving and dishonest figures to ever lead Dalton. The misconduct doesn't stop at security misuse. Numerous accounts allege Henyard intimidated local officials and fired anyone who questioned her authority. Across the country, her name has become polarizing. She leads the small town of Dalton, Illinois, but most residents want her gone. A big reason is her reckless spending of taxpayer money. She travels with a full-time security team that costs around $250,000 a year. But it doesn't end there. She's allegedly used public funds to plaster billboards with her image, stamp her name on vehicles and buildings, and even release a 2024 calendar with her birthday marked. Even more alarming is how she's manipulated the electoral process. While she earns a staggering $225,000 a year, she passed a rule ensuring any challenger would only be paid $25,000 if elected. That's a 90% pay cut engineered solely to deter competition. Still, brave candidates are stepping forward, determined to remove her from office. But the fallout from her leadership isn't just financial, it's deeply personal for many in Dalton. Locals are now speaking out, sharing stories of suffering, economic hardship, and being completely ignored by the very government meant to protect them. These powerful testimonies reveal the emotional toll Henyard's alleged actions have taken. One woman shared that she waited decades, 20, maybe 30 years, for a moment like this. She said if it ever happened to her, she wouldn't stay silent, and now that it has, she's determined to speak out. She's already battled through the trauma, the depression, and the prayers it took to come forward. Today, she says she's no longer just doing it for herself. She's standing up for every woman who's felt silenced, afraid, or abandoned. She's become a voice for those who have none. She's no longer just fighting for herself. She's standing up for every woman who has suffered in silence. Inside the mayor's office, former assistants recall a peculiar work culture under Henyard. Staff were expected to speak openly in her presence, especially while she multitasked. One assistant remembered mentioning an upcoming work trip and casually noting that May 21st would be her 31st birthday. "I've never been to Vegas before," she said. "I didn't know if I'd be going, but I really wanted to be there, even if it's for business. Just being there on my birthday would mean something." She added, "You know how hard I work. It's not about fun. It's just something I want to experience." That was the atmosphere. Casual, personal, and deeply entangled with professional boundaries. But Henyard's public behavior has painted a far more volatile image. In one fiery video clip, she was seen shouting at city officials, declaring, "I'm the leader." Her tone was aggressive, and the outburst led many to believe she was spiraling and avoiding accountability altogether. "Y'all forget, I am the leader," she yelled. "People want to hear from the leader, not from officials who just sit around and talk." That moment captured something raw and unsettling about her leadership style. More performative than principled, more defensive than composed. Then came the bombshell from former Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot. After being appointed to lead an independent investigation, Lightfoot released detailed findings that shed light on how Henyard had been mismanaging public funds. According to the report, money intended to serve Dalton residents was diverted to cover unnecessary and questionable expenses. Critics accused Henyard of worsening the town's already fragile financial situation, pointing to a consistent pattern of reckless spending that neglected the actual needs of her constituents. One of the most controversial aspects of Henyard's spending has been her alleged indulgence in high-end travel and dining, all funded by taxpayers. She's been accused of using village funds to pay for stays at luxury hotels and meals at upscale restaurants like Ruth's Chris Steakhouse and Bubba Gump Shrimp Co., all while claiming it was for work-related conferences. In one particularly tone-deaf move, she bought a Bubba Gump hat and wore it to a town meeting. This right after residents began questioning her Las Vegas travel expenses. When Henyard was eventually questioned by local media about her Vegas trip, her responses stunned viewers. This wasn't satire. It was real. When asked, "You didn't go to Las Vegas?" she responded bizarrely, "What is that?" The reporter pushed again, "You don't know if you were in Las Vegas?" To which she replied, "Of course I do." Things only got murkier when she was asked whether the trip was funded by taxpayers or if she flew first class. Her answers became vague, contradictory, and almost incoherent, adding more fuel to public outrage. And then, the story took an explosive turn. In breaking news from Illinois, the FBI launched a full-scale raid on the village of Dalton and Thornton Township. The action came as federal agents served subpoenas tied to corruption allegations involving Mayor Tiffany Henyard. According to ABC7 News, the FBI confirmed they were executing court-authorized law enforcement activity. What began as whispers of unethical behavior has now escalated into a full-blown federal investigation. The walls appear to be closing. And during the FBI raid, agents didn't just show up, they meant business. They seized critical personnel records, including files from the police department, along with financial documents directly tied to village operations. These weren't minor paperwork checks. They were the backbone of how Dalton runs. It was clear that federal investigators were digging deep, looking for the paper trail that could expose the truth about how this town has been managed under Henyard's leadership, or mismanaged, as many now argue. Despite mounting criticism, Henyard had long maintained her innocence. She repeatedly claimed she had done nothing wrong, brushing off accusations as politically motivated attacks. But those defenses are crumbling fast. The situation has escalated beyond simple finger-pointing. In a bold move, the village council brought in former Chicago mayor and ex-U.S. attorney Lori Lightfoot to oversee a wide-ranging investigation into the growing corruption allegations against Henyard. And the list of grievances is only getting longer. One of the most disturbing accusations involves a staff member who claims she was sexually assaulted during an official trip to Las Vegas, funded by the city. That alone would shake any administration. But it doesn't stop there. Other reports include city employees not receiving paychecks, multiple cases of unlawful terminations, and an ongoing pattern of financial abuse. Taken together, they paint a picture not just of mismanagement, but of a total breakdown in ethical governance. Every day seems to bring a new dramatic twist, and even as Henyard sat in front of cameras during a televised interview, flatly denying any wrongdoing, things were unfolding behind the scenes. Sources say that while she was live on air, the FBI was already monitoring her, quietly working the background. Investigators weren't just watching, they were listening, taking notes, and confirming that they were one step ahead, even as she tried to dismiss the crisis on national TV.